Hi folks, I just had a couple of homework questions that I'm going to go over here. They're on page 236 and 237. The first one is 8C. Okay, so this one is z to the 4 minus 13z squared plus z to the 6. Sorry, z to the 4 minus 13z squared plus 36. So I guess the first thing is I'm going to check, because that's a perfect square and that's a perfect square. So let me see. The square root of this is z squared. The square root of this is 6. 6 times z squared is 6z squared times 2 is 12. So that doesn't work. All right, so let me rewrite the question. Z to the 4 minus 13z squared plus 36. So I'm going to pretend this is z squared minus 13z plus 36 and see what happens. So I need two numbers that multiply to 36 and add to negative 13. Those are going to be negative 4 and negative 9. So this is going to be z minus 4 and z minus 9. But if I expand this, I'm going to get z squared minus 4z minus 9z minus, or plus 36, which isn't quite right. But if I just make this z squared minus 4 and z squared minus 9, then I think it will work. So that would be z to the 4 minus 9z squared minus 4z squared is minus 13z squared plus 36. But wait, in both sets of brackets I have two terms and they're both subtraction. So these are both difference of squares. So this is z plus 2, z minus 2. And this is z plus 3, z minus 3. Now, Desmos should still work for this because there's only one variable. So let's go with Desmos. I'm going to change the z for an x, so x to the 4 minus 13z squared plus 36. Oh, sorry, x. I was changing those z's to x's and squared. Okay, so it's a crazy looking graph. Let's stretch it out here. You don't need to worry about that graph. It's called a quartic, but no worries till grade 12 on that. But this just helps us check. So first, I got z squared minus 4. And then z squared minus 9. And again, I wanted those to be x's. And it's the same. And then I did x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 3, oh, x plus 3, x minus 3. And it's the same again. So both of these are correct. Obviously, this is your fully correct answer as it's factored. And then we can see the zeros here. Negative 2, 2. Negative 3, 3. And if I click those on, you'll see them. The y-intercept from the original is 36. And there it is. So a bunch of stuff that you could know about this. It kind of looks like a double parabola or almost a triple. 2 going up, 1 going down. Again, you don't need to worry about any of that. This is all you need to be able to do. I just wanted to check it. All right, 10. Let me see which one it was. 10C is the other one. Is this the same question? Yeah, this is the exact same question. That's weird. They just changed the Z's to A's. Huh. That's weird. So anyway, I'll do it again. So I get a squared minus 4, a squared minus 9. Again, the only real difference here is that instead of a squared, we have a 4. So we just have to square both of these a's. And then we get a plus 2, a minus 2. That's really weird that the textbook would have two identical questions with the letters changed. Unless I missed something, they're the same. Okay, folks, there you go. That's 8C and 10C from page 236, 237. All right, I hope you're having a good day and that you have a good weekend. Don't forget to do that online testing. I think I've had several come in already, and so far they look great. So keep it up.